What is going on, my fellow YouTubers? This is Ricky J, baby, for Ricky J Sports, and you see the flames on the screen because I'm about to show you guys a heated battle between me and a Division 8 champion. It was tough, it was rough, but was it tough enough for us? Who knows? Because when you're part of the Ricky J Nation, I just made that up right now, nothing is impossible. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. All right, everybody. We are in a championship fight, and we are facing Rafael Dos Anjos. Rafael Dos Anjos. And I'm using Anthony Pettis. I'm giving Weidman a break because I was listening to you guys. I was listening to my good old buddy Brady Madden, and he was telling me, man, that the ground game in Weidman isn't the best, and I've noticed that, especially against top-tier guys. Before we get started, I want to send a quick shout-out to I Love You Carmen. He is an unbelievable player in this game. He has, as he said, he's revolutionized the boxing. Oh no, the boxing aspect of the game. This is for you, brother. You're a class act, and I enjoy talking to you on the PSN network. And I gotta just make sure I don't get KO'd here as I'm doing my shoutouts. And shoutouts to all of you guys out there. I love you guys. From North America to Australia and everybody in the middle. You guys are the greatest, man. Loving the run that we're on with the Ricky J Nation. The Ricky J channel. So let's see what we can do, man. Just get up. I want to throw. I love using Pettis just because of his stand-up game. It's quick and it's powerful. Oh, but this guy just loves to slow dance, man. Man, are you a slow dancer? Let me know in the comment section below if your go-to move is the clinch game. But my buddy Joker, 5407, he is awesome in the clinch, and he made a good point. He's like, this is mixed martial arts. It's not kickboxing, so if he feels like he's being outworked, I don't care, I'm going to talk over this. If he feels like he's being outworked, he'll take it to an avenue where he feels he will shine. So I don't really mind the slow dancing. I'm getting better at it, the clinch. I call it slow dancing, by the way. But, you know, you got to work with what your strengths are. My strengths are stand-up and ground. And I've been working on my submissions as well. Another big shout-out to Gamer205. This guy streams like all the time, and he's an amazing guy. Class act. I love watching him. The guy, it's unbelievable. He submits guy. Oh, okay, let me not get, hold on, guys. Let me not get submitted. Oh, no. What? Oh, how did I get out of that? I got to concentrate here. But Gamer205, you got to check him out. He submits guys left, right, and center like it's nothing. And I respect him, and he's just a great, great UFC fighter. He streams like, I think 5 days a week, which is pretty awesome. Love watching his streams. But I got to do you guys proud, you submission guys proud, and try to hold my own here. But this guy, man, keeps on going for the submissions. And I don't care what you guys say. 3 gates works for me. Oh, that's 2 times where I've been in huge trouble. Oh, here we go. Slaps. But yeah, the 3 gates work for me, at least. But somebody explain to me why 2 gates is better when it comes to escaping. What a round. Because I tried the 2 gates, but it just wasn't working for me. I was getting submitted left, right, and center. But now with the 3 gates, I feel like I'm escaping. I feel like I have more wiggle room. So here we go. We did not win that round. But we got to keep this together. This guy is a slow dancer. Oh, he would do well at a wedding. Or a high school dance. Nice. And that was really quick transition. So I'm trying to do some fakes like you guys said. Oh, I can't believe I got that. I don't want to mess with this guy. I can't believe I got that. No. This guy neutralizing. clipping my wings, so to speak.
Man, they love Showtime, and you can hear it from the crowd. They battle in the clinch, looking for a dominant position.
Man. And I'm noticing his pattern. It's see that elbow and then now knee. I'm noticing that pattern. Oh, I gotta run for the field. Top the fence. Timeout. Jeez, I'm pushing R2 and up.
Oh, and he eats a nice knee.
Thought I blocked that. But Dos Anjos' knees, he does a hop step back. See that? He does a hop step back so you can see it coming.
Big knee right there.
Jeez, I just gotta keep my stamina up. Keep my stamina up. And then Pettis doesn't have the leg grab either, which is kind of annoying because that leg grab when you're in single collar, it goes quick. And I'm trying to maneuver. Oh, I got the tie. Oh, come on.
Oh, and again. Good knee by Pettis.
And this is not like any other match. I'm used to high flying, Michael Jacksoning my way through the octagon. All right, I got to back away, man. And again, I can't be afraid of that clinch. I don't know who said it, but somebody said in the comment section below that I can't be afraid of the clinch. So I'm just going to fight. That's all right, baby.
Joey has his opponent cut. Let's see if he looks for more of the same.
He's looking for it. He's looking for it.
Excellent job of mixing up his strikes here.
This is a chess match. No way. No way. He's not going to outstrike. Yeah. Good old Mo's on our side. Do you know who Mo is? Momentum. Yes. Yes. Let's go, big guy. We already know what your game plan is. What's your favorite slow song back in the day? Come on, how about some Boyz II Men, End of the Road?
He changes his stance. Pettis landing some vicious body shots. Absolutely.
Now this is a very interesting round because he was grappling. He didn't really hit me with much, and I kind of had my moments, man. I really did have my moments. And I hit him with some nice combos, nice strikes, and he's afraid of my stand-up. I respect this guy, though. He seems amazing. He's a champ. Anybody who sports the championship shorts, you got to respect them. And I don't want to, if you notice, I don't want to touch gloves because I don't want him to give me this. The old clinch action. And he's looking for that tie clinch. Ah. Trying to switch things up.
Trying to take the back here. Now he's in full guard.
But for the amateur fans, man, they're probably just sitting at home saying, "What is this, Ricky? Want to see some action? Here's some action for you." I've been working on that. If he's going to keep me on my back, I am going to pester him with some submissions. Yeah, not going anywhere, big boy. Yeah, Big Daddy. Ah, but he's doing a good job denying. I'm waiting. Oh, he's doing the fakes. He's doing the fakes now. I'm not panicking. I'm looking. Yes. See, oh, I was looking for that, and I thought I denied it.
Very nice. He's moved into side control now. Big punch from the top.
And this is the worst when you're on the bottom and you look at the clock and there's 3 minutes or so left.
Side control again.
I gotta make something happen.
That's a big punch to the head from the top.
And he's content with just sitting around. Oh, he's trying to go for it. No way.
Pettis with a nice punch from the bottom. Man, he's doing some great damage from inside his opponent's guard.
Ah, see how he negated my get up there by posturing up. Good on him. This guy knows all the tricks.
Strong right by Dos Anjos.
Being in Division 7, so I'm in Division 7 facing top tier guys, man. You just are always in a fight.
Excellent posture.
The Division 4 and 5 guys are long gone. Oh, I was kind of hurt there. And now it's 6, 7, and 8 dudes. And I'm interested to see what division this guy's in. Oh boy, no. And I'm getting busted up here, man. I'm really getting busted up. I'm trying to deny this, but it's just not working. Oh, that was deadly to do that. I'm always scared about that jumping guillotine. All right, get off of me. The song is over. Oh my gosh, get off.
Good uppercut. Dos Anjos has got him in the plum clinch.
Wow.
He was able to defend that huge elbow.
No, run. No, run. Yes. No. Oh, this guy is unpredictable. I was thinking clinch, and then he went for a takedown. He's got me thinking, and we're in a fight, man. Let's go for a nice little submission. It's going slower than... Oh, Oh, man, it was going slower than usual. Maybe he's getting tired. Get off me, man. Look at this guy. He was staying on top of me when the buzzer sounded. Now he's staring me down. Look at Dos Anjos.
And here we see some beautiful submission.
But the X factor that I'm seeing, right now we're losing this fight. Let's not beat around the bush, people. This is real talk right now. But the X factor is we have a stamina advantage. And that's what I'm noticing right now. And we got 2 more rounds. This is not just some dinky little 3-rounder. This is a 5-round fight.
We are in the championship round.
So we've got a slight stamina advantage. And look at our stamina going into the 4th round. We are both fresh. And this guy's just content with holding on into the clinch, looking to do damage, but he's not being successful. You know what I mean? He just keeps on going to it. Oh, no. Get another round of this. I gotta make things happen, man. But this guy's good. He's just content with sitting here. Warm blanket time. Who wants to tell a story? Who wants to get tucked in over a nice warm fire? This guy's your blanket right here. Or he wants to watch Beauty and the Beast. Did you guys see the new Beauty and the Beast? I gotta go see it, man. Gotta go see it. I know we're talking non-MMA talk, but I gotta see Beauty and the Beast. I got rave reviews. I want to make a character Gaston. And this guy, man, is just planting me on this mat right here. Jeez. This is a type of fight where you lose and you feel like you didn't lose. You know what I mean? You feel like you didn't get hurt. I'm still going to look for trying to go for a submission or 2, you know. Can't get up.
And he connects here.
There we go.
Joe, they get up.
So I gotta just start throwing, man.
Changes his stance.
No more messing around. Just start throwing. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Boogeyman mode. Boogeyman mode. Oh, what? No way. Throw, baby. Oh, I thought I denied that. Mount. Throw. Oh. Just gotta keep on throwing. Keep on throwing. Ba 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 ba. What a victory, baby! The point of being blanketed for the rest of the night. And Pettis woke up and he said, I need a midnight snack. What a win. What a win. I am in shock, man. This goes down as one of my top victories. Wow. Again, beating the blanket man. I should call the video beating the blanket man, but it was a tough battle. It was tough, it was heated. Unbelievable stuff, man. What a victory. You could tell I'm speechless. But anyhow, people, thank you so much for stopping by. That was crazy. What a victory. You guys are the best. This is Ricky J, baby, from Ricky J Sports.
And you are awesome.